Hi guys, it's Harry Hampson here from the brokerage, and Harry Shuttler, our in-house videographer photographer. We're just out on LINARA 5, which is a 2011 Botnia Targa.
Hi guys, this is Harry Hampson from Berthon International. Today I'm going to be showing you over a rather lovely Botnia Targa 32 called LINARA 5. She is a 2011 model, currently in her second ownership, however the same family. Delivered directly from Finland. I'll just show you the deck space and then we go check out the interior. So here the current owner has made a modification and created a sun pad, which the insert just sits at the front there, and as you can see slots in around the horseshoe seating. There is an electric windlass LINARA anchor. Really safe deck space. You have the utmost confidence walking around the boat. As you can see, there is a tender that's included in the sail. Twin gates leading out to the transom, then onto the bathing platform. She's based on snap davits, and the outboard lives in the engine room but is not included in the sail. There is a table that inserts onto the engine hatches there just to create some outside dining space. And just moving up to the upper helm here, really great space. You have your full navigation suite, all ray marine. You've got a chart plotter, sonar, autopilot, and tridata up here, and of course your max power bow thruster, Volvo computer and throttles, and your radome. Again, underneath this seating you have, as you can see, there's locker space to fit warps and fenders. So let's take a look inside. Just a quick overview of the saloon area. It's a classic Botnia Targa. You have a sliding up and down table there, and the backrest slides back and forth to create a large dining area with the helm on a spinning base to create maximum seating area. Underneath here you have a twin gas hob and a sink space. Rather neatly, just stows away with that rather lovely wooden hatch. TV and a 65-litre refrigerator. Again, just looking over the navigation suite we have down here, it mirrors the flybridge. You have the twin throttles, the ICOM VHF, the chart plotter, all the Volvo computer, tridata, and autopilot. All various gauges above you and rocker switches, and the audio system with battery breakers just over to port. There's a microwave combi just neatly stowed there, and another footrest. Here we have the first of the two cabins. So we have a neat V-berth, very spacious, good headroom down here, in really great condition. All the woodwork throughout and upholstery is in really good condition. Credit to the owners. Just moving down to the master here, which is en suite, and we have a double mattress. Again, loads and loads of space. some extra storage over the starboard, and good lighting. And here we have the heads. So we have toilet, shower, sink and various vanity unit. Just moving back up into the saloon. You have a TV over the starboard. And we just come out of the starboard sliding door and go take a look at the engines. LINARA 5 is powered by the great Volvo Penta D4s. They're 300 horsepower apiece. Down here you have immense space. You have all your electronics, filters, extinguishers, various battery banks. As mentioned before, there is an outboard with a separate bracket in this starboard hatch, but I'm afraid that's not included in the sale. However, the bracket will stay put for future owners' outboards. All the electronics and various breakers down there. Another overview of the saloon and helm. Really lots of natural light coming in. It's a really great place to be, great visibility, and an all-round amazing boat. So here we have it, guys. This is LINARA 5, the Botnia Targa 32, now available with Berthon International. Please do not hesitate to give us a call for further details and viewings. Thank you.